Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have Vinny's Sub. Alright, this is the sauce you're going to have to make. 3/4 of a cup of olive oil, a 1/4 cup of red wine, a teaspoon of basil, and a teaspoon of oregano, salt and pepper. And basically you just want to add everything to a condiment bottle, put the lid on, and shake everything together. And that's it for the sauce. Place it in the fridge until we're ready to make the sandwich, which is right now. Okay, now we'll start building the sandwich proper. As you can see here, I've cut up and cut in half one baguette. And then I'm going to be mayonnaising both sides of the bread. And by the way, you should be preheating the oven to 400 degrees. Now we're going to add some ham. This is a Virginia ham if you want to get specific with it. And we're going to want a nice layer on one side of the bread. Okay, and now it's time to add the salami. And we're going to want a nice good layer of salami too. Actually, technically both these meats were double layers, but you know, whatever. Nice little layer of it. And then 6 strips of bacon, because bacon makes everything better. Okay, and now it's time to add the provolone cheese. So a nice little layer of that. Takes about 3 slices each that I'm kind of ripping in half, as you can see here. And then you want to pop this in until the cheese melts. It takes about 10 minutes or so. Just keep an eye on it because, again, different areas of the country have different baking times. Okay, and the 10 minutes has passed. And the cheese is all wonderful and ready to go. Now it's time to add the other stuff. Right now we're adding a good little layer of shredded iceberg lettuce. Because again, I think iceberg lettuce works best for stuff like this. That's just my opinion. You can always add butter lettuce or any of the other things, but I don't want really much flavor. I just want that refreshing crunch. And iceberg lettuce does that better than anything. And then you want a nice little layer of banana peppers as well. Now, if you like, you can add some pepper to this if you so desire to. All right, now take the top part and place it on the sandwich. Press everything down. And this should make about 3 sandwiches. Obviously, I did not eat this entire thing by myself. So yeah, you want to cut it into 3 equal pieces. And then, like I said, this is just a little trick. I don't know why it works. I don't know why it makes a sandwich like this taste better. But wrap it up in tin foil and set it aside until everybody's ready to go eat. Okay, since we're about ready to eat, grab your knife or cleaver or whatever one more time. And boom, there we go. By the way, the sub was absolutely delicious. It did not last long. And that's that. So that's Vinny's Sub. Done.